My name is Ramon Vullings. I'm a cross-industry expert helping business leaders to transfer ideas and concepts from one sector to another. We're here together with AT&T Business at the FedEx office headquarters to learn of an exciting new innovation.
We move, over 12 million packages through the system on a typical day. What's missing is that 30-minute or less on-demand delivery, say 3 miles around a facility.
FedEx partnered with disability technology experts DECA to create a cross-industry solution, the same-day bot, built on the base of DECA's electric wheelchair. Describe a little bit how the same-day bot actually opens up new access.
We're working very closely with a couple of very large pharmaceutical companies, pharmacy operators. You have a sore throat, you pick up the phone, you call the clinic. The clinician may say, you may have strep. I'm going to put a swab kit into the bot and send it to your home. I am now sending you whatever it takes to get you better.
I checked in with AT&T to see how they envision an innovation like this affecting the healthcare space.
In the new world that we live in, right, where we're hyper-connected, a world in which we want things to come to us where we are, you look at things like IoT, which is the Internet of Things, and AI, artificial intelligence, coming together to help healthcare move forward.
The bot uses IoT, AI, and cameras to navigate its surroundings and share that data in real time.
Our bot can climb the curb, up the walkway to the front door, and be right there ready for delivery, so that when a customer has something that they need, perhaps a prescription, we can get it to them, within minutes.
These are the type of solutions that are enabling healthcare to take advantage of supply chain advances and reach the communities that need the most.
We are finding ways to use our technology to impact people in a way that we've never been able to before.